Meaning of dizygous twin.
Dizygous twin.
Dizygous twin.
Dizygous twin.
Dizygous twin. Dizygotic twins are also known as fraternal twins. They occur when two separate eggs are fertilized by two different sperm, resulting in two genetically unique embryos. Dizygotic twins may or may not be of the same gender, and they often have different physical characteristics and personalities. Unlike identical twins, who share the same genetic makeup, dizygotic twins are no more alike than any other siblings. Because they come from two different eggs, dizygotic twins are no more likely to share physical traits or inherit certain diseases than any other two siblings who are born separately.